Gauteng maboneng mo di happenang teng mo kitswang teng bana ba ratela ho runa neng ba baholo ba re bophelo ha bo sana boleng ditjebeng ha o sa itjeba robala naheng Gauteng maboneng mo di happenang teng mo kitswang teng bana ba ratela ho runa neng ba baholo ba re bophelo ha bo sana boleng ditjebeng ha o sa itjeba robala naheng ba re ke Jozi ntate everybody strateng o driver kilos ntate le ba ruti ke ditsotsi no sa tsebe hanti le di cherry tse di kotsi and they love to party. It's a rough city, you can trust the soul. I guess you gotta be like me and mind your own, or else end up ustagile in the danger zone. And if when you trust me, no fool a microphone. Jozi, yazi Jozi, mari Jozi la manyal. Pela la, imali wazu wenzu muntanya malang. Pila la, mpandu bumnandi zisenza singalal. La uzobono wamampelu utumtabu driver imali. Everybody's about getting it. There's only a few who's all about sharing it. They wanna appear on the list of those spending it. And if you ever heard of Jozi Lights, this is it.
Welcome.
Ikari nekari la ikasi yaziwa nje ukuthi ibhaseli soli hamba ngentwana ezisolo
alahuma inesa kheruka birwa infanta karazi mlala halala Muhammad Rasulullah abake ngama makhaba ko kasenteli yakho ethoya ene tshanga nonke
I drink fun because it takes longer and longer.
yeah aksioni right they light today
Njoba ngisafani ngizomsekhaya la nginale 40 inking ileyo ukuthi thina asifuna ukujiva nabantwana oqala
fielding bathi wena ude virus ngathi wena ngibeza le virus bathi wena hamba unika abantu stress ne happiness la kabani over
mina esinomthandazo I think ukuthi ukuzijabulisa into right for young umntana omncane ukuthi afike kule stage lesi kwamele experience izinto
ayikhisha shangane emhlabeni ayikho noma ningayapi niye
Ingake degree leke. Ingake degree.
Indaba yethu straight asifuna idate.
Kumnandi la. Yethe khuva la. I'm happy from Sasolburg. Diyawa Brami.
To the criminals, I might say their days are numbered.
Sizokuvakashela nawe ejele. So make the right choice, boss.
mina bengithanda ukuthi abantwana abancane bangajaheli izinto ezikude nabo guys sizofika nani stage sen
Yeah, the advice I can actually give to the youth of today, behind everything you do, there's a thought. And every behavior is motivated by belief and every action is prompted by attitude.
They must be addicted to life. They must not be addicted to these various substances. Bangabi budedengu, bangahambi belahla umlenze becabanga ukuthi everything will come right. Ayikho into enjengale.